Hello YouTube, Zaknafein Aconite here. Hi Luna. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this, my Wednesday inspired crow mask. Basically, it's inspired by my previous work, which was a couple, no, not a couple, it was like 9 months ago. Good God. Man, which one's your favorite, bitch?
Can't you shut up?
Naturally, I'm more partial to the gore. I guess I'll just intercut the montage over me yammering away, but, yeah, it's easy enough to figure out how this is done once you have a plastic mannequin head. I sort of just applied some duct tape to the nose area with a triangle of cardboard. And once that was covered with a bunch of foil and painter's tape, I then took a bunch of shredded brown paper, of course folded and layered at the edges. About 4 layers of paper around the edges of the mask to form the beak, as well as every edge around the forehead and around the eyes. Well, one of them at least. There is a little gap here for vision's sake. So, editing Zach here. I kind of forgot how much footage I actually got of me putting this thing together. Not just the paper, cotton mache stages and everything, but the painting stages too. I even experimented, I didn't do it on camera directly, but I experimented with using a wash made of Liquitex and paint, which I plan on doing a lot more for my future projects, so stay tuned. But yeah, no, the basics are all paper mache, and then I sculpted all the details, like the feathers, the details, the chunks around the eyeball with some cotton and glue. And yeah, obviously you're gonna want this thing on a stick, or you could put a strap on it. I don't know.
Did he say strap in or strap on?
I wanted mine on a stick, though. It's just cooler, more theatrical to, ooh, you know? Especially if you've already got a top hat on. It's gonna, you know, add to the effect. Oh, man, I should do a Wendigo one of these. That'd be awesome as hell. Would you watch that? Leave a comment down below. Hi, Luna. But yeah, no, I gotta admit, I wasn't expecting to be as much of a fan of Wednesday, at least not season 2, as I am. They sold me on the Crows, though. The first one's just kind of what you would expect. You know, the first season is Wednesday basically playing Scooby-Doo for the day. You know, she's trying to figure out why all these kids are dropping like flies left and right. No offense to Eugene, for 2 reasons. Yeah, I guess even she thought death was a step too far. Unfortunately, as much as it's the most viewed show by Netflix, that doesn't change the fact that it's definitely got its mixed reviews. Season 2 is looking good so far. At the time I'm making this, only the first 4 episodes are out. But who knows, you know, maybe they'll fuck it up by the other half. I don't know, man. This looks way better than I was expecting it would look, you know. Maybe you saw the YouTube short, maybe you saw it on Instagram, TikTok, whatever the hell. But, yeah, I'm quite pleased with how this turned out. And, I hope you were just as fascinated with the how-to montage as I was jerry-rigging and building it together. I don't know anyone else who's tried this, but if you do, let me know. I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Oh, and I put the date on it, too. I almost never date my fabricated work. Only the stuff I pull out of molds and everything. But, yeah, no. Pretty awesome, eh? So if you like, please like. Feel free to share your obscure little thoughts in the comments below, as well as to share the video itself. Subscribe if you wish to see more. Don't forget to hit the bell if you do. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. I love you all. And don't forget to snap twice.